The overhang is an affordable way to extend your pivot without adding another tower, so it's actually a cheap way of getting a little bit more hectares out of your center pivot. So on the G3 we've talked about the center, the spans and the towers, and almost all of our pivots end with an overhang. The overhang is an affordable way to extend your pivot without adding another tower, so it's actually a cheap way of getting a little bit more hectares out of your center pivot. Our G3 overhangs are available from 6.7 meters up to 30 meters in length in increments of 3.35 meters. Also, at the end of each of our overhangs, you'll find our patented Autoflush valve. This amazing product allows us to flush the center pivot's pipeline at the start and end of each irrigation cycle. Being a South African company, we at Agrico understand the local opportunities and challenges, and the center pivots is really our flagship product, and it's been great to show you some of the key features of our G3 center pivots. Thank you for watching. For the next video in this series, please click somewhere over here. And if you want to learn more about Agrico and what our great team does, subscribe to our channel.